Today we continue our adventures in the capital of Georgia. We're going to explore the third most popular theme park in the history of the USSR. Today we check out our first ever Soviet theme park. We absolutely love Disney World, but that opened in the 1970s. So this is the oldest theme park that we've ever been to because it was opened by the Soviet government in the 1930s. The bus that we took to get to the amusement park did not have air conditioning, but this Ferris wheel car does, which is awesome. I've been on a lot of different Ferris wheels, but never one on top of a mountain like this. I don't know if it's technically a hill, but we are really high up here. This is going to be one of the best views we've ever seen. Entrance into the park is free, but you still have to pay for each ride, so it's basically set up like a fair or a carnival. You have to go and get your own card. It's at one of these cash box, like a little kiosk at the bottom of each ride. So the card itself is 2 gel or Georgian lari, and then you can just add on however much you need for the ride. And there's even a chart for how much each ride is, so you know how much to put on the card.
We're really, really high up.
This is an incredible place to hang out because there's no entrance fee to get in, and then there's chase lounges and the best view in the entire city once you're up here.
I don't know how safe this is since there's no guardrail.
Not sure if you can see it, but there's a rainbow in the midst of this water fountain here. So this guy decided it'd be a good idea to jump into the fountain. And now he's soaking wet. But he's got a reward of an ice cream after his epic swim. What is this?
So it looks like kind of like a waffle, and in the little circles are different fillings.
So you get caramel, nuts, Nutella. Interesting dessert. Yeah, they got a waffle iron back here. Oh yeah, it is. So it's probably like they fill up the batter, right? And then they put the topping, and then maybe another level of toppings or another level of batter, and then it comes out. Yeah, it's like a super mega waffle.
I think we need to try this.
Yeah, I think so.
How does this work? Do you just get one filling or all of them? Okay, can we mix all of them? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Mandoba.
All right, we got jam, we got raisins, we got nuts, we got Nutella, we got caramel, and vanilla and chocolate ice cream. 30 bubbles, tons of goodness.
While we walk through the carnival section of this amusement park, let me tell you about our attempt to get up here. So we were supposed to take the funicular, which would have been a really cool way to get up to the park. But when we got there, it was closed. So we actually had to walk all the way back down the hill, and we ended up taking a bus to get to this amusement park. Wow, okay, thank you. Look at this view. Definitely better than the other one.
Yeah, we can actually see the proper city of Tbilisi.
And are those Caucasus mountains over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a great view.
Best view of any amusement park.
Planetarium.
You can hear that someone's watching some kind of movie inside.
Instead of bumper cars, we got bumper boats. I don't know about you, but I've never seen an entrance to a theme park that you can actually go in and walk up into it. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, even the frontage is part of the attraction. Now we get to overlook the entryway. That's the guy who was in the fountain earlier, right?
Oh my gosh, that is the guy who was in the fountain earlier.
He didn't get wet enough on the fountain. He had to go on to this ride. And then as they come down, they splash, and then the empty one splashes them too. Oh, no, now they go on the big one.
Now, okay, we gotta get a different angle for this one.
They're terrified of the small one, so how are they gonna do it this way? Are we gonna get soaking wet here?
No, there's no water around us.
Well, that's cool. At least you get 2 drops for the price you pay. Here we go.
Nice.
Just when you thought you were safe.
Found the ghost mansion or ghost house or
Ghost Castle.
ghost castle. Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's an actual ride.
Yeah.
I thought you just walked through it.
No, I mean, you ride through it.
Now I'm real pumped. Oh, we're finally back. We're finally in daylight. Whew.
We made it. Sun is almost down. It's a beautiful day. And we survived the ghost castle. Oh no.
Or did we not?
Oh no. Ah, punch through the wall. What is this? Oh, he's coming out.
What'd you think about that?
That was incredible. That was everything I wanted to be. Actually, that was be kind of lame. Like, it was just gonna slowly go through it, but it was a full ride. I absolutely loved it.
Yeah, and there was a dip that I wasn't expecting, and we like jolted forward. Yeah, it was awesome.
Highly recommend the Ghost Castle. Thanks for watching our day at a Soviet theme park. This is WITY Travels. What could possibly be next?